This is First Alert Weather.
All right, taking a look at the Palmer Law Group Road Risk Index. We are dry for the morning, so no hazards or no delays to expect for this morning. However, heading into the evening commute, you can see we're in the minor to moderate category for delays, with the more moderate category south of I-70, maybe a little bit out towards I-70 in our western communities. But bottom line is showers and thunderstorms may be affecting the evening commute for several areas later on today. So have that umbrella handy. You will need it later today, but not this morning. 47 in Concordia. You definitely want the jacket this morning. Upper 40s and low 50s across northeast Kansas, which is actually about 5 degrees warmer than what we had yesterday at this hour. So we're making improvements. We have wind chill values in the mid 40s to low 50s across the area, thanks to winds out of the east northeast, generally at around 5 miles per hour. A little bit stronger down to the south, 5 to 10. But generally speaking, we'll have those winds increasing a little bit throughout the day, more in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range. Could have gusts close to 20 miles per hour, but it's not going to be terrible with our winds for today. And then as we head into the next couple of days, we'll continue with the east-northeasterly wind for tomorrow, generally at about 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon, and then more of a northerly wind as we get on the backside of the low pressure system, which will be off to our east on Friday. We get that northerly wind before we return with a southerly wind over the weekend, and that's going to allow temperatures to finally warm back up. But until then, it's going to be a gradual warming trend for the rest of the work week as we get close to 70 on Friday, but then we really start to feel the warmth as we head towards Saturday and Sunday. Dry across the Central Plains right now, but that's going to be a whole different story later on today. Here's the storm system that will slowly be working its way eastward. In fact, it hasn't moved a whole lot since yesterday when I showed you this satellite radar composite, but it will make a little bit more progress as we head into the rest of the work week. So for Supercast, showing dry conditions this morning by 11 o'clock. You'll notice that we may start to see some showers and thunderstorms just down to our south, may start to move into our southern communities between 11 and 12 o'clock. So be mindful of that. We may be keeping an eye on some rain for our southern communities at the midday in Kansas at the noon hour. And then as we head through the rest of the day, scattered showers and thunderstorms push through the area. We may get a little bit of a break at 5 o'clock. We'll see what happens there. And then we'll have more rain as we head into tonight, and more rain as we head into tomorrow and Thursday evening as well. This is when I think we'll have our best chance of rain across the area. That's when the low pressure system moves on top of us and then eventually moves into Missouri by Friday morning, leaving us with dry conditions. The bulk of the severe weather is going to be down to our south in Oklahoma and Texas today, but we do have that marginal risk in southern Kansas, clipping far southern Coffee and Lyon County. So it's not a great chance of severe weather. And then for tomorrow, the severe weather threat, again, not really seeing much in the way of any severe weather as it mainly stays down to our south and to our east. So heavy rainfall is going to be our primary hazard, but some lightning as well. Some spots going to get some locally heavy rain. Now, for the most of northeast Kansas, we're generally going to be in the half-inch to 2-inch category. But yes, there will be some spots that get more than 2 inches. Now, whether or not it happens in the areas that you see on this computer model, that of course remains to be seen. So bottom line is be ready for some much needed rainfall. Just going to be a matter of when. And I do think the bulk of the heavier rain will be both tonight and tomorrow night. As we take a look at the 8-day forecast, if it wants to come up, there we go. We have temperatures get close to 70 on Friday with dry conditions, 70s and 80s over the weekend, and then we get close to, if not maybe some spots reaching the 90s as we head into the first half of next work week.